Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to hide your photos on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your photo library, and after you open it you just need to go click and find the photos that you want to hide. So let's say here I would like to hide this picture, so you just need to go click them until you got this appearance on your screen. The next thing we need to do to hide this picture is take a look on this top right corner. There will be like edit and three small dots. Go click these three small dots and just simply click the hide tools right here. So you just need to click it and confirm that you want to hide the photos. And how to find them back, you just need to like go back and just go click the album and scrolling down until you found the utilities option. In this utilities option there will be like hidden here, so you just need to go click it and make sure that your face is facing right in front of the phone's camera to access the key. And after that you just need to go click the picture, and to unhide them go click these three small dots and go click unhide. And let's go back to check either the photos already back into your photo library or not. So it's already here. That is the way guys how to hide a photo or video on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next video.